Hi guys! 9:07 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? So BFF, inagana natin, tinuloy-tuloy from, of course, kay Kuyang Doc Manny, ang kabayani po, diniretso na po natin para po, sayang na po yung ating setup natin. At least nandito na po tayo. And of course, medyo apologies po. Nag-message po sa akin at least na-miss daw nila po yung mga backing, no? Ngayon po, we will do it po. Inagana natin, BFF. But again, of course, ito po tayo ulit. Ano po ba ang araw tomorrow? January 9. So, meron po tayo ulit nito, no? Yan, let's see. So, January 9, sabi po dito, the Earth Tiger enters the remove auspicious golden luck day. Oy, Earth Tiger, January 9. O ano ba naman Kuya Norman ang meron sa January 9 mo na Earth Tiger? Silipin natin. Okay, sabi dito. Ayan. Okay. Setting the bed is suitable. Medical procedures, start business, assume a new post. Moving house, house cleaning, buying a new car, and pursuing studies, all good for tomorrow. Avoid going to sea, gardening, and buying assets, not good for tomorrow. Good for whom? At animal signs bang okay at hindi? Okay. Rat not so good, ox is average, tiger is very good, rabbit is average, dragon snake not so good, horse very good, goat average, monkey not so good, rooster average, and dog and pig very good. Ayan. There you have it, BFF. Okay, silipin natin. How about the daily Chimen? Of course, we have to watch out for our mind, our monkey mind, no? We have to watch out for that because unknowingly, we are going to the yin side of things. Not only mga situation, people, but also our way of thinking. We have to guard that, BFF. So, tingnan natin. Daily Chimen. SK Gunter, I hope you're watching. Hi to Kuyang Benson. Happy New Year po sa'yo. So, tingnan natin Kuyang Gunter. Tingnan natin. December 9. Ayan. Daily Chimen. Okay. Tingnan para po naman. At least, hi to Ma'am Apple. Thanks for watching. Ayan. Natin habang nag-load. So, again, thank you po to Kuya Ricky. Thank you po kay Kuyang Doc Manny for the opportunity to being able to share. Ang haba po, 1 hour at least, di po ba, we are able to express po. And sa mga hindi po nakapanood, I've shared one of the secrets of 2025 shared to me by my classmate abroad. Yung pong pagkakaroon po ng green na box with a dragon or a symbol of wealth. Hi to SK! Gunter, sir! I will pray for your recovery, SK, sir, Thank you. And of course, meron tayo ito para sa healing. We'll do that. Okay. So, yun po, have yourself green box. Sa green box pong yun, pwedeng shoe box, lagyan ng green. Tapos sa ibabaw po, pwede pong symbol ng dragon or any symbol that relates to wealth or prosperity. And then on the 27th of January, talikod ka sa east, 1 a.m. to 2:15 a.m. madaling araw po ito. I-visualize mo, spoken word mo po, at ilipat mo po sa loob ng box yung mga gusto mo na prosperity, na abundance po for 2025. Hi to Sir Al, good evening po. Ayan, so yun po, may technique pala pong ganon. And then you put that box in the east. Ayan. Wow! Okay. And then may isa pa pong technique, that was shared to me. Ito naman po para po sa mga main door. Ano ba dapat nasa main door mo? Uy, di ba? So tomorrow po, best effort share natin. Ano ba yung dapat na makikita sa main door mo? Ayan. So we'll discuss us tomorrow, BFF. Wow. Oh, BFF, bear with me Medyo ang ating wifi ngayon. Medyo malakas ang hangin, malamig sa labas, apektado po. So, again, thank you so much for the opportunity po, for being able to share. Alam niyo po, I think 1,000 episodes na po tayo since pre-pandemic pa simulan to So, 2020 of April, we started this. Pinapabila ko nga po sana kung pang ilan na to, but mukhang marami na hindi na nabilang. And the most important, we're still here, you are there. Like and share po natin, BFF, And yung mga animal signs po natin, remember you have 5 animal signs, your year, your month, your day, your hour, and yung pong luck cycle. So meron kang 5 animal signs. So that may be affected by, of course, the year of the wood snake. So yun po yung mga technique po, and then if I will come across po with other things that may help you improve yourself financially in terms of prosperity, share ko po sa inyo. Of course, yung mga proven techniques po. Yan, yung mga proven techniques. Okay. So, unahin po natin, SK Gunter BFF, yung daily chimen. Yung hourly chimen, January 9. So, hourly chimen, from 5 a.m. to 6:59, backing to north. Meron tayong Jade Maiden watching the door. Flying Bird fall into cave, same time. Talikod naman sa southeast. 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Getting things done, game changer. If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod sa southwest. If I were you, BFF, I'll be using this. 5 steps ha. Actually, nakaupo ka, mag-compass ka, nakatalikod ka sa southwest, 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. ang wind time. You let go of the past, you open up for new opportunities, you give thanks, you visualize and ask for what you want, and you give it back to society through donation, through charity works po, or through community service. Yun po, use this. Okay, meron na ba noong daily chimen? Okay, let's see. Ayan. Yan, BFF, konti na lang. Mukhang suspense po ngayon para siguro naman telling us medyo slow down naman, wag mamadali. So BFF, if you have any question, just let me know. Share nyo lang po. And again, I'd like to invite each and everyone, if you want to subscribe and know your energies, daily energies in terms of your destiny, in terms of your wealth, your health, relationship, and risk, I can plot it for you. Of course, there's a subscription monthly. And then you will also have your personalized Green Dragon, personalized Flying Bird, personalized Jade Maiden watching the door. So kahit hindi nyo mapakinggan, you are sure you have it po, that report monthly. So you can better adjust po. And then you will also know kung ano po yung maganda or challenging for you in terms of siblings, parents, wealth, health, happiness, destiny, soul, those kinds of things po. At least you can check your chart, your energy, monthly, daily, and you can do something about it. And I will also add the 7-star path walk. For that, I will include 4 to 5 po within the month po. 7 stars walk. Hi to Maring Seni, thanks for watching. Okay, ito po. If you want a 10x being beautiful and handsome with the star driving energy, talikod sa southeast. Anything to do with opportunities, absolute power, and terrestrial force, talikod ka naman sa west. Game changer with good health or improved health, talikod sa northwest. Anything to do with finances, talikod sa north. And anything to do with heart-to-heart talk, noble people, talikod ka naman sa east. Yan. So, again, dapat nakaupo, use the compass, talikod. Hi to Worshipful Master, Noble, Kuyang Joseph, magandang gabi po, Worshipful Sir. And congratulations po on your ascent to the east. Worshipful Kuyang Joseph, Sir. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity of being able to share. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let us continuously pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful